Hi, and welcome to day 4 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Robin Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and myself are participating with our host, Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. To be entered into our giveaways, you must subscribe and leave a comment daily on each of our channels. I will leave all of the giveaway information in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, as well as links to the other ladies' channels. And what I have created for today is this beautiful pumpkin, and my friend Robin has done a tutorial, so I will link it in the description box as well. So I used the paper All Hallows Eve by Photoplay. So I decorated the lid of the pumpkin with this boo that I had picked up at Michael's, and it had the little spider on it. I'll take this off and bring it in just a little bit closer so you can see everything that I put on the lid. So I bought the black mesh. I think everything is from Michael's except for the tool trim, which is from the Dollar Tree. So I've used this black mesh to make the bow, and it's the wire, so I was able to curl up the edges. And I used some more of this vine, which I really am so glad I found that and picked that up. And then I just took some of the tool pieces and made squares and folded them in half and in half again. So I got these little pointy pieces sticking out. There's a part of a spray, which is from Michael's as well. And I think I got this big spider, I want to say at Family Dollar, but I could be wrong, because I was going to all of the stores looking for Halloween items. And I'll just turn around the back. You can see more tools, some of the black little spray, and some more of that vine, which I really, really like. And some black, it looks like oak leaves that I put underneath. And I've just tucked the vine and the tool all around the top. Some more leaves. And I love, you know, the glittered sprays. And then you can't hardly see it now, but there were some leaves that almost looked like that black mesh. Put my hand underneath, you can see it there. I think right in there. And they were glittered, but they ended up, you know, getting covered up. But I was really happy with how my lid came out, and I just used 2 little dots of hot glue to adhere that. And it did come on a pick, so there was a wire piece, so I have it down the side and glued in there as well. And I will leave a link for the 3D file as well. It was from a shop on Etsy. And it's so hard to see. Let's see here. I'll turn it down a little bit so you can see the different papers. Like I said, I really thought the paper was really pretty. I love the cream and the orange together. So as I always say, I love to hear your comments, and make sure to check out the other ladies in the hop. I'll have their channel links below, and make sure that you have a spectacular day. Thanks for watching.